Hello there, my name is Slav, I'm 26, I come from Bulgaria. So let me tell you a few things about myself, but let's go outside. Wow, awesome! Did I mention that I'm actually in Sweden? How did I end up here? We'll see right now. I actually did my double bachelor degree in France and the UK, and then I went to Germany to work for PlayStation. But then I decided to go for my master degree and I chose Sweden. Let's talk about my hobbies, but not here because it is a library, so let's go somewhere else. That's way much better. Tennis is my soul. It's my passion every single day. I love running as well. It's so good. But why am I the best possible candidate for this project? 1. I love traveling and capturing these moments. Check for yourself. 2. Speaking 5 languages. Impossible for me to get lost. 3. It's super fun to be with somebody like me around. That was everything. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.